everybody, what's up? This is Justin with the MHF Project. This video is for the drawing that I do for each tier, and these are for my monthly members, aka Mad Hatter Family project members. So let's go over who we have as a member. So first we have Allan Dronsfield, and he is a Mad Hatter member. Thank you for your support. Koerner is a Annoyed Hatter member. Thank you for your support as well. StewDeezie just became a member. Thank you, Stu, for your support. He's a Calm Hatter member. Jason Keith Prospecting. Thank you. He is a Mad Hatter member. AU Family John Castaneda, which is AU Family Prospecting John Castaneda. He is a Annoyed Hatter member. Thank you for your support. Jurgen Crevits is a Mad Hatter member. Thank you for your support as well. And then we have Chuck Gentles. He is a Calm Hatter member. So for the Calm Hatter tier, we have two. We have StewDeezie and Chuck Gentles. For the Annoyed Hatter tier, we have two. It's AU Family John Castaneda, and we have Koerner. And then for the Mad Hatter tier, we have three. We have Jurgen Crevits, Jason Keith Prospecting, and Allan Dronsfield. Alright, so what we're going to do is we are going to draw. First, we're going to draw for the Calm Hatter tier, which is the $5 tier. So, as you can see, I have an empty bucket. I'm going to fold these up. So let's fold this. We'll fold it just like this. One more time, we'll fold it twice. There's one. And we have StewDeezie. So good luck to you guys, and thank you for your support. It's immensely appreciated. Okay, and there's StewDeezie. So as we do, I grab the lid. I'm gonna put it on. I'm gonna back up so you guys can see a little better. And we're gonna shake this, and we're gonna draw one, and that'll be the person who wins for the Calm Hatter tier. Okay, so I'm going to look away, put my hand in, and I'm going to come up with one. Mix it up. So I'm going to grab one. Alright, I have one in my hand. So, the person who won the $5 tier is StewDeezie. So congratulations. Your prize is this right here. Now it is a $50, but I believe it's a commemorative. It's a George Washington, yes, George Washington silver commemorative $50. And it says is being offered in recognition of the 250th anniversary of the birth of George Washington. So that's the coin, and this is the it comes in this. It goes in there, but this is also your, I guess, your certificate. Yeah. So that is yours. Okay. So once I do the raffle fund for you, I will get all these out to you guys. I'm gonna wait until I do that drawing so I can go to the post office in one trip. But Stu, you won that, so congratulations. The next one is the $10 members, which is AU Family John Castaneda and Koerner. So we're going to do the same thing, but first let's take this out. Okay. Great, we'll put in Greg first. Okay. One moment. Okay, so it's one. And we're going to put in John. best of luck to you guys. Lid. Okay, back up so you can see. We're gonna shake this, and I'm gonna pick one of the next prize. Okay, so again, I'm gonna look away. And I'm gonna mix this up, and I'm gonna grab one swing. So I have one on my hand. So for the annoyed hatter tier, person one, if I can get it open, is John Castaneda. So congratulations, John. You won. Let me show you what you got. A Jamestown 400th anniversary commemorative coin. I'll show you what it looks like. Comes in this case. You got a certificate of authenticity. And it comes in this little display case, like a lot of the commemorative coins do. And this is a proof coin. So let me take it out of here so you can see the obverse and the reverse. Okay. From what the looks of it, it is mint. It's never been touched. The case has a little bit of, oh, never mind, that was just my finger. But that's the obverse. And that's the reverse. Nice proof coin. So you won that, and again, I will get this out to you as soon as we do the drawing for the StewDeezie donation fund. Let's pop this back in. Okay, put this away. So congratulations so far to StewDeezie and John Castaneda. Put the lid back on. This is yours, my friend. Okay, and last, first let me take this out, is the, I'll put that there, the Mad Hatter tier, which is the $25 members. Now for this one, I did not buy silver. What I did was, I made up a bag of Prete for you guys. In here is a gram plus of gold, there's some constitutional silver, and there's some various gems. So one of you is going to win this. And if you guys don't like this idea, let me know, because next month I'll just go back to silver, or maybe we can keep doing something like this. But again, there's 1 gram plus of gold, silver, constitutional, and gems. Okay, so for the 3 people are Allan Dronsfield, Jason Keith Prospecting, and Jurgen Crevits. So we're gonna put you guys in here. So it's Jurgen. Okay. Ken. And last is Jason. Okay, there we go. So, we'll shake this up. We're going to do it the same way we did for the last 2. Good luck. Again, I'm going to reach in, mix them up, and draw one, and that's going to be the person who wins the bags. Mix these up good. Now I'm going to grab one. Grab the first one I feel. Okay. This one, keep it on the camera. Hold this. So the person who wins this 1 gram plus bag, gems and constitutional silver, is Jurgen Crevits. You won, buddy. Congratulations. So that is it for the drawing for the Mad Hatter family members. So thank you guys all for your support. I appreciate your donations and your friendship. With that, like I said, I will be getting all these out to you guys when I do the StewDeezie raffle drawing, which I think it should be within this week or the next one. I'm just waiting on 2 more prizes to come in. So once they come in, I will get it going and I'll ship these off to you guys. So thanks for watching, stay safe, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.